Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change password in X Twitter. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the X application on your phone. So open the X app, locate and click on the profile picture at the top left. Once you click on that, scroll down, click on settings and support to expand the settings. Then locate and click on settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, go ahead and click on your account. Under your account, locate and click on change your password. Then there you go. You'll be prompted to type in the current password. Go ahead, do that. Then type in your new password. Then confirm the new password. Make sure the new password matches. And after that, go ahead and click on update password. Once you hit update password, this is going to change your Twitter password and then you're good. So that is exactly how to change password in X Twitter. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.